Picture this. You walk into a bank. You take out a loan for that car or house you have been dreaming of. Let's say $30,000. You sign a mountain of paperwork, the manager smiles warmly, and you leave feeling like a winner. But 40 days later, simply by law, $850 drops right back into your bank account. Your own bank returns it to you. Think it is fantasy or a glitch in the matrix? No, it is a new 2026 regulation that bank clerks are told to keep quiet about. For decades, banks have forced you to pay for insurance policies you will never, and I mean never, use. You are funding their corporate parties and bonuses. But today, I am going to show you how to break this system. I will give you a step-by-step algorithm on how to get your money back in 30 days. If you took out a loan after January 21, 2024, this is your moment. Hit that like button if you have ever lost money on bank insurance. Fasten your seatbelts, let us get started. Let's break down how you are being scammed right now. Did you know that 80% of all issued loans come bundled with so-called mandatory life or health insurance? They tell you, without insurance, the interest rate will be higher, or we just will not approve it without it. So, you agree. It costs you about 1 to 2% of the loan amount. Seems small, right? Now watch closely. The bank gets a massive commission for selling you this policy. The insurance company makes a super profit because the percentage of actual payouts on these policies is practically zero. And what do you get? You get a hidden surcharge. Let's look at the numbers. You take out a $15,000 auto loan. Plus, they tack on life insurance. As a result, your monthly payment balloons, and you are handing the bank an extra $450 a year. For thin air. For a piece of paper that protects you from nothing. But the rules of the game have changed. The key fact of 2026 that needs to be shouted from the rooftops. The cooling off period, that is, the time you have to say no and get your money back, has been extended from 14 to 30 days. This rule strictly applies to all contracts signed after January 21, 2024. And most importantly, the countdown for these 30 days starts exactly from the date you signed the insurance policy, not the loan itself. Remember that. If your insurance has not kicked in yet, they are obligated to refund 100%. If it has already started, but no insured event has occurred, you will also get 100% back. The law is completely on your side. Alright, let's get to the main part. Enough theory, let's get your money back. Here is the step-by-step guide. Do this today. Step 1. Preparation. Go to your document folder. Find your loan agreement and find the insurance policy itself. You need 3 things. The policy number, the exact date it was signed, and your personal bank account details for the refund. Got it. Let's move on. Step 2. The application. You do not need expensive lawyers. The application can be written in a completely free format. A template will appear on the screen right now. You can take a screenshot. Write it like this. I, John Doe, ID number, issued by and when, during the 30-day cooling-off period, refuse the voluntary insurance contract number X dated Y. No insured event has occurred under this policy. In accordance with the law, I request a 100% refund of the insurance premium paid to be transferred to my bank account. Then you provide your full account details. Add the date and your personal signature. That is it. No magic involved. Step 3. Sending it. Here lies the main trap that beginners fall into. Where do you send it? Many people go to the bank. The manager smiles nicely, takes the paper, puts it in a drawer, and time ticks away. No, you must send this directly to the insurance company. Their legal address is always listed on the policy itself or on their official website. How do you send it? Only by certified mail with a return receipt. The postal service is your best friend in this matter. You must keep the receipt with the tracking number. This is your proof in court if they decide to play hide and seek. An alternative is sending it through verified digital portals if they have that feature and you have an electronic signature. But a stamped postal receipt is rock solid. Step 4. Waiting. By law, the insurance company has exactly 7 to 10 business days to return your money. For example, if your insurance premium was $650, you just wait. And 12 calendar days later, your phone pings. You get a deposit of $650. And what if the bank or insurance company starts dragging their feet? calling you, trying to talk you out of it, or passing the buck to each other? Do not waste your nerves. Immediately write an official claim. I will provide that template to, and send a complaint to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau and the Federal Trade Commission. Usually, just mentioning the CFPB is enough for them to miraculously find your money within 24 hours. You think these are pennies? Let's look at real numbers and real cases from my subscribers. Case number 1. A guy takes out a $20,000 auto loan. At the dealership, they happily upsell him on comprehensive insurance and, on top of that, life insurance. The life insurance premium is $920. He watches my video, sends a certified letter the next day. The result: on the 18th day, $920 returns to his card. It cost him exactly $3 at the post office. Case number 2. A $300,000 mortgage. A woman in New York took out a loan in April 2026. They forced an additional service package on her for $3,000. She wrote the application and sent it. Refunding the $3,000 took 20 days. Do you understand the math? This is your money, which you can use for early repayment of that same loan, for renovations, or for a vacation. Do not gift it to corporations. But I know what many of you are thinking right now. What if I took out the loan 6 months ago? My 30 days have long burned out. Did I lose my money? Do not rush to close the video. There are 2 working scenarios for you too. Scenario 1. Early repayment. If you paid off the loan ahead of schedule, the insurance company is obligated to refund your money proportionally for the unused time. Let's say the insurance was for 5 years, but you paid off the loan in 2. For the remaining 3 years, they must give you cash back. Scenario 2. For those who are paying on schedule, but the 30 days have passed. This is where consumer protection laws against tide selling and forced add-ons come into play. Simply put, forced services. Yes, it is harder to prove. Yes, the insurance company will resist. But the statistics are stubborn. In 60% of cases, courts side with the borrower. You do not just get your money back, but you also get a penalty from the insurance company, plus compensation for moral damages. Now, pay attention. 3 fatal mistakes that cause 70% of people to get rejected. Number 1. Lack of evidence. The main rule: keep the receipt or bank statement showing you paid for the insurance. Without a piece of paper confirming the money transfer, getting it back will be a nightmare. Number 2. Blind trust. Never take a bank employee's word for it. Open your bank's mobile app right now. Go to the loan section and check for hidden check marks. Very often, insurance is hanging there as an active subscription that you do not even suspect. Number 3. Fear of rejection. If they send you an official denial, it is not the end, it is just the beginning. It is your ticket to court, where you will take back 1.5 times more. Yes, it will take 3 to 6 months, but it is worth it. So you do not get confused, I have put together an ultimate checklist for you. Look at the screen and take a screenshot. Documents: loan agreement, insurance policy, ID, your bank account details. Deadline: strictly 30 days from the date the policy was signed. Where to send? Directly to the insurance company via certified mail or through a verified digital portal. I have already prepared a ready-made application template in Word and PDF format. No need to pay lawyers to draft papers. Take it and use it. Let's look at the official data. According to recent statistics from federal financial regulators, over the past year and a half, more than 40% of credit insurance policies have been successfully refunded specifically during this 30-day cooling-off period. These are not isolated lucky cases. This is a massive trend. The average refund amount nationwide is currently between $500 and $700. Think about it. $700 just because you were not too lazy to print one piece of paper and walk to the post office. Banks are counting on your laziness. Do not give them that satisfaction. Let's quickly run through the most common questions you ask me. What if the loan was fully paid off a year ago? Answer: unfortunately, that ship has sailed. If the contract is closed, you cannot retroactively refund the insurance. What if I have been paying the loan for 6 months and the policy is active? Answer: under the 30-day law, you will get a denial. Your only way out now is early repayment of the loan or suing them under laws against forced services. Can I just take the application straight to the bank branch where I got the loan? Answer: I strongly advise against doing that. The bank is a middleman. Your target is the insurance company. Send the documents only to them directly. Let's summarize. The law is on your side. You have 30 days to take your money back. In a month, those funds will be back on your card. Do not wait until your next loan. Do not feed the corporations. Act today. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and definitely click the bell icon. In the next video, I will break down in detail how to pull your insurance out if more than 30 days have passed using the early repayment mechanism. There will be lots of numbers and insider tips. Right now, write the date you signed your policy and your loan amount in the comments. I will personally review the comments and give you exact instructions for your specific case. If your situation is complex, the bank is pressuring you, the insurance company is ignoring you, or you need professional help with the paperwork, send me a direct message. Links to my contacts are in the description below the video. We handle even the most hopeless cases, from debt assignment to full debt restructuring. On the final screen, you now see the full list of documents you will need for the refund. Save it for yourself. Know your rights, do not overpay, and see you in the next episode.